Welcome back. In the previous video we created our first booking. You can see here all the details we added, so we are ready to move this booking forward by creating our first documents. To do this you will need to have your templates installed. This will happen as part of your setup process where we work with you to make sure they match your current documents. So let's go ahead and start with contracts. Over in the sidebar you can see all the options available to you for this booking. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Contract. As you can see, we are then presented with this pop-up where we can select who the contract is between, so you can create any contract you might require. I'm going to create a contract between my agency and the promoter. Once selected, I can click the Generate Contract button and I'll be taken to the contract screen. The date and reference number are pre-populated for me by Overture. These options and naming conventions can be changed if you require. Now I just need to check everything is as I like, and then I can move forward to create the actual document. In the sidebar there are options to publish this document as a Word or a PDF file. So if I go ahead and publish this as a PDF, once selected, Overture generates the document and displays the published one here in this box. If I now head back over to the booking screen using the Recent Pages drop-down, I can see the booking listed at the top, and down here our new documents are listed in the sidebar. I can now follow the same workflow to create an invoice. So, click Create Invoice in the sidebar of the booking page, and select the one you want from the list, and then click Generate Invoice. You can see on the invoice screen that I can now select the options I require. So let's say I want to create an invoice for the deposit. I can simply select this radio button here, and again I can then hit Publish Document in the sidebar. Let's choose a Word document this time, and the document is then created. Back over at the booking screen, I can now see both of my documents in the sidebar. For both of these documents I have further options to edit or delete, and they also have their own status which I can toggle. So for my contract I can set it to signed, and for my invoice I can set it to paid whenever those developments happen. I can also upload a contract or an invoice, or any other document for that matter, and they will be kept in the sidebar here linked to this booking. I will now have an email ready for me to send from the Overture outbox. You can set these messages to send automatically, but I'm going to check before I send in case there's anything I need to add or change. I can click Send, and the email will be sent and then move to the sent mailbox in case I need to check on it in the future. And that's it for this video. In the final video of the series I'm going to go over tasks.